How to earn over $200 driving in Los Angeles. This is my secret route. You're watching The Art of Cherry Picking, episode 17. I am at $82 and 2 passengers, 65 miles driven from Beverly Hills. I got a $19 ride to LAX. I took it in a heartbeat. And the guy gave me a tip right away because it was a business comfort. And that's the lesson here. Business comfort, their business is paying for it. You do a good job with customer service. You help them with the bags. You talk to them. If they want to be quiet, you be quiet. It turns into a tip right away. $19 ride turned into $31. Back to back, we made $82. Let me show you how I cherry picked this. And right now, it's at 10 o'clock. I'm at LAX with $82 in my pocket on a Wednesday, ready to cherry pick the next customer from the LAX queue, because from 10 to around 1 o'clock, you can still pick up passengers in LAX. I'm still shocked that I got a double tip and we're at 50 bucks, but I'll take it. So look, it's 9 o'clock. We want to get to LAX. Oh no, maybe we don't. There's a lot of people waiting. We want to get a ride to, like you can see, 9 o'clock is busy. We want to get a ride to LAX and have an opportunity to rematch, or we want to end up towards Burbank where we can get rematched at both airports. I'm right here in Beverly Hills, right? Santa Monica is fine. Downtown LA is fine, right? So right now, these are my goals. Try to get a ride to Santa Monica. Try to get a ride to Los Angeles. Try to get a ride to Burbank. Or try to get a ride towards LAX. And it's Wednesday, right? We're going to keep cherry picking and be patient. Okay, the app is on. And from here, in my experience, I can get lucky at Beverly Hills, but sometimes I get lucky right over here. For some reason, I don't think there's a lot of drivers here. So if I have to relocate, that's where I'm going to go. But I'm going to try to see if I can park somewhere and wait at least 5-10 minutes here to see if I can get an opportunity where I'm at in Beverly Hills. I'm literally right next to the Beverly Hills sign. It's giving me a delivery. I don't do deliveries out here. There's nowhere to park. There you go. I called it. Yes, absolutely, we'll take you, my friend. You're very close by. Where are you? Okay, I gotta make a left. A little preview at LAX where I dropped off this customer that I just picked up. We're picking up Mr. Logan, and it is a business comfort 492. So I have to figure out, should I make a right turn where he's standing, or should I stay where I'm at? Because otherwise I have to make a circle and come back. I think I'm gonna take a chance, see if he's on the right. It might be an easier pickup. If not, I gotta go circle around again. I think he's inside the building. Yeah, this is a different exit. So I gotta go circle around again. Yeah, we don't need this stupid notification over. Good morning. Did you order Uber? Uber? No? Oh, okay. Okay. Over here. You're Logan? Okay, perfect. And just double checking for Logan, right?
Yep.
Okay. And JetBlue Terminal 5?
You got it.
And you're okay on time?
I think so.
Showing about 38 minutes.
Yeah, should be good.
Alrighty. Good visit?
Great. Yeah, it's great. It's for work, but I got some free time, so it's good.
Yeah, this looks like a nice fancy hotel.
It is pretty nice. There's a pool.
Yeah, nice. Hey, you're right in Beverly Hills.
Yeah. Take it.
Absolutely. Hey, work's paying for it. Why not?
Yeah, exactly.
The tower at LAX, and I have a feeling they're taking a picture of me because I'm making a video of them. God damn, I love LAX. I just dropped them off at JetBlue Terminal 5. Didn't get rematched, but you never know. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. But when I was diamond level, oh, there you go, I got rematched. 467 Uber XL, 13 miles for $24. 467 from the airport, going back that way. No, you know I don't want to go that way. We got paid $31 on the last passenger. Shit, that was a $19 ride. Maybe he gave me a tip already. So we're at $82. I didn't want to get rematched because I don't want to go that way. And yeah, it's 9 o'clock. There's still flights coming in, so we'll go wait at the queue if we have to. 467, it's not worth it right now. And the way I got here to LAX is basically from West Hollywood. I was near Beverly Hills. Just kind of came down, took the 10 freeway, and ended up dropping him right there. Okay, he did give me a tip. Right away, that's 2 in a row. 12 miles, good. $19, good. 37 minutes, good. $31, good. We've already made another 30 bucks in an hour. And I've only driven 65 miles today. Out of the 65, the first 30 were, we'll say thank you for the tip. The first 30 miles were basically me driving and getting to Pasadena so I can pick up the first passenger. It was a business comfort, so 58 plus 11, he paid 70 bucks out of 70. Look at that, service fee is high because he was staying in Beverly Hills, right? Commercial auto insurance, 15, so that's what, 25, 15, 30, 32, 33. Let's just say 36 bucks. I don't know, I'm not sure if my math is right, 36. We got 30. Even though we got less than 50%, I'm still gonna say this was a good cherry picked. I was leaving LAX and I saw somebody waving at me and I thought he recognized me from my YouTube channel. But no, he was waving down this shuttle bus right here so he can bypass, you know, Uber rides. Smart guy. You just watched The Art of Cherry Picking episode 16. And in episode 17, you're going to see I'm going to end up cherry picking a $20 ride, end up at $102 roughly in 3 trips. But the reasoning behind it, from LAX, I had to reject a lot of rides so I can end up at Long Beach at the airport, and gives me an opportunity to cherry pick because I know Long Beach, it's a little bit easy around 11, 12 o'clock. And remember, I go from airport to airport. Now, make sure you check out the next video. I have it linked for you above in the info card. And thank you for following me. I appreciate it. The fact that you guys comment, the fact that you guys ask questions, that's what I do now. I create videos and content just for you based on the questions that you're asking. And there's no stupid questions, okay? Look, I got to make this video a little bit longer to get paid from Google, from AdSense. So this is downtown Los Angeles. A couple of people walking by. Somebody noticed that I'm recording. He's going to look right at me right here. Boom. What's up, boy? And this is some building in downtown Los Angeles. It just looks cool. The weather's beautiful. And now I'm in San Diego. And that car from Marlboro, I don't know if it's, I think it's a Ferrari, dude. That's a cool car. And this is somebody working in San Diego. I remember capturing this and I was like, you know what? I just got to make a video of this. This is just freaking cool. California is beautiful, my friends. Are you a rideshare driver? Would you like to be interviewed by me? Do you have tips, tricks, and hacks that will benefit the rideshare community? My email address is right here. Give me an email. Let's help the other drivers. That's it. And check out this next video that I have linked for you. I also have the playlist linked for you. Enjoy. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.